Hey everyone, Chris Barron here. It's time to take a look at the July 2024 Mid-Vancouver Island market stats. Let's get right into it. Let's start up in Parksville, Qualicum Beach with single family. As you can see, the average price for single family homes has once again risen above $1 million, but it is down from this time last year, although just a little bit, just under 2%. We are seeing, again, good listing increases, but we're also seeing units sold go up, which is something that we haven't seen so far in the last little while. When looking at it compared to June, prices have gone up just a little bit, around $6,000. Units listed and units sold are pretty much the same, so a nice even summer so far. Switching over to the strata properties, and it's really a mixed bag when looking at townhomes, patio homes, and condos. Average price for townhomes did fall versus July 2023, while we're seeing a really good units listed increase, but also a healthy units sold increase this year. Condos also a good price increase and a unit sold increase, but we actually saw a decrease in units listed, which kind of flies in the face of what's been happening over the last little while. Again, looking at it compared to just last month, townhomes, patio homes, pretty much the same story. Condos had a really good price increase, almost a $100,000 price increase versus last month, based on the exact same amount of units sold. Heading down to Nanaimo, once again for single family, still seeing those prices drop versus last year. Not much, but still heading downwards. Units listed going up and units sold going down. Compare that to June of this year, saw about a $70,000 price decrease between June and July. And units listed and units sold pretty much the same. So somewhat even in Nanaimo, pricing maybe on the decline. Looking at townhomes, patio homes, and condos, seeing a bit of a price decrease for townhomes, while we saw that units listed heading upward. Units sold also had an upward trend for townhomes, and pretty much the same story for condos with the exception of price, which went up about 20% versus this time last year. Looking at these numbers versus June, townhomes, patio homes, pretty much the exact same story. Same units listed, just a slight increase in units sold, and the pricing around the same, while condos saw about a $100,000 price increase, units listed down quite a bit, and units sold down quite a bit. One of the things that's really been driving the market lately is just the increase in listings that we've seen from 2023 to 2024, just for the single family market, which makes up about 60% of the sales on Mid-Vancouver Island. We've seen units listed go up 100 in both Nanaimo and in Parksville, Qualicum Beach. So that's 100 more properties, single family properties, that buyers have to choose from. If you have been paying attention to my weekly updates, you know that we've had a pretty stable summer so far. It is looking like maybe the dam is starting to break a little bit when looking at the more inexpensive strata properties, but time will tell on that. One of the big things of note that did happen in July was the Bank of Canada reduced its interest rate another 0.25%, so now we're down to 4.5%. Even that reduction, coupled with the one in June that was also 0.25% reduction, we are seeing a lot of buyers head back into the market, which may be contributing to some of the increases in the condo sales. As we move through the month of August, be sure to follow along with my weekly updates, but if you have any questions about the market right now, feel free to reach out. You can visit my website, chrisbarron.ca, or phone me directly at 250-947-5921.